To migrate Comala document management from a hosted instance, you must use the Atlassian Confluence Cloud Migration Assistant, CCMA, which can transfer spaces, users, groups, and vendor app data from data center to the cloud. In this video, we'll walk through how to migrate a Confluence space from data center to cloud using the Atlassian Cloud Migration Assistant. We'll also highlight a few important checks you should do before starting the migration. Next step, run a pre-migration assessment to see what will move to the cloud. To run the pre-migration assessment, go to Confluence Global Administration, Comala Document Management, Migration CGM Usage to generate the following pre-migration reports as downloadable CSV files. First, review the Space Workflows report. This is the most important one because Space Workflows are migrated to the cloud. Next, check the Page Workflows report. Page-level workflows are not migrated, so you'll need to convert them to Space Workflows if you want to keep them. Review the Page Restrictions report. Pages with restrictions will still be migrated to cloud. However, any app data associated with those restricted pages will not be migrated. Download all reports as CSV files and open them in Excel or Google Sheets to easily filter and analyze the data before migrating. Now, you should complete the following pre-migration steps to prepare your instance. Step 1. Set up your Confluence Cloud site. You must create a Confluence Cloud site and install Comala Document Management for Cloud, as well as any other necessary cloud-based apps. Ensure you have administrator permissions for the site when creating and running a migration. Step 2. Remove page restrictions. Restricted pages in your hosted instance can block migration of Comala workflow data. Remove these page restrictions before the migration. Step 3. Convert page workflows to space workflows. Page workflows are not migrated to the cloud. You can consolidate these as space workflows in two ways: manually in each space or through bulk consolidation using a script. In both cases, each page workflow is consolidated as a label space workflow. Now, assess and prepare your environment using the Atlassian Confluence Cloud Migration Assistant. In your Confluence Data Center instance, go to Global Administration and open the Migration Assistant. The home screen will guide you through the preparation steps. First, assess your apps. Review which vendor apps you need in Confluence Cloud and check their compatibility and availability. Use the decision menu to mark the apps that are needed in cloud. Next, prepare your apps. Use the assistant to connect to your cloud site. Install the apps you've marked as needed in cloud, including any alternatives if required. Then agree to app migration so the assistant can migrate the app data. You'll also need to review your users and groups. Make sure all email addresses are valid and unique. Review your email domains and mark them as trusted or blocked as needed. Once your apps and users are fully assessed and prepared, you can use the Migration Assistant to migrate the selected spaces in your instance. We recommend migrating small groups of spaces at a time to make it easier to review results and fix any issues. Now, review your migration and click Run Now to start your migration, or save it to the migrations dashboard to run it later. For this video, let's run the migration. The migrations dashboard lets you monitor migration progress, view the migration status, and view the migration details for all current migrations. If you experience any issues during the migration, start by reviewing the logs in the Cloud Migration Assistant. In many cases, you can simply rerun the migration. If the problem persists, please reach out to our support team for assistance. Thanks for watching.